Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to toggle the touchpad on the GIGABYTE G7. There are two methods of doing that and they don't work interchangeably, so if you disable it through the first method you won't be able to enable it through the second method, so it's worth knowing both of them. The first one is using the keyboard. I think that's the most common one, and you might have accidentally toggled it off and want to toggle it on again, or you want to learn how to toggle it off. So in order to use it, you'll need to find the F1 key on your keyboard. It has this touchpad icon, and you can just simply press on Fn combined with F1 and it says touchpad off. Now touchpad is on if I enable it. And now let's go to the second method. So if the first one just didn't do anything, it may be because you have the second method. You have your touchpad disabled through the second method. So first I'm gonna disable the touchpad using my touchpad, and later on I'm gonna show you how to enable it back again using the keyboard. So you need to go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Touchpad, and disable it or enable it. I have an external mouse, but I'm not gonna use it now. I'm just gonna click on Alt and F4 on my keyboard to close the Settings app, and now click on the Windows key on your keyboard and type in Settings. Click on Enter and it'll open the Settings app. Now click on the Tab key until you're pointing on Home on the left list. If you go too far, you can click on Shift Tab to go back. So just select the Home, and now with arrows, go to Bluetooth and Devices and click on Space. Then with Tab, go to Devices, and now with arrows, go to Touchpad, click on Space, and click on Space to enable it. Now the touchpad is back on working. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.